here we are. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate taking the ladders off and putting the ladders back on and securing them to the truck. Here we go. First thing we want to do is we want to take our mini pry bar, stick it in the hole, apply some pressure down, release this lever, this latch. And I typically like to switch hands, hold it with my thumb, and then pull the actual ratchet strap out. Okay. And then two things why I actually pull it all the way down like this is, one is it doesn't get caught up in the ladder, which is fantastic. The second thing is if you forget to latch up the ladders for some reason, you get in the truck, you look in your mirror, you're going to see this dangling down. So it's kind of like a fall safe, just to kind of make sure, like, hey, you see this in your rearview mirror, you stop what you're doing, you go and you secure the ladders. Anyway, that's that. Other thing to consider is the mini pry bar. Don't ever stick it in your pocket. Don't ever stick it up here, because it will eventually it'll go away. You won't remember to take it. You won't remember to take it back. Anyway, put it back in here when you're done. Okay. So as far as taking the ladder off of the rails, we're going to go ahead and put our two thumbs on the top of the bottom track, of the bottom of the top track. Wrap our fingers around and kind of give it a little popping motion. Looks like this. Okay, and then I'm going to immediately transfer my hand, my right hand, to right here. Okay, and I could either bring the ladder down like this, or if I'm already up here, what I like to do is I kind of like to bend and then stick it over, and then I'll go wherever I need to go on my shoulder. Okay, a couple things we want to mention is as far as putting the strap, we want the strap right here on the ladder. We don't want to jeopardize these levers or the latches in any kind of way. Any extra torque, any extra tension is going to cause them to spider and just like added wear and tear. We don't need that. So we also want to put the ladder and lean it up against the truck backwards. So I'm not going to climb up the ladder like this. You typically would climb up the ladder like this. Okay, but that's not how we put them on the truck. So that's not how we're going to lean them on the truck. So it's leaning like this. I'm going to go 3 rungs up, grab it in the middle, and with my left hand about shoulder width, shoulder height, I'm going to put my palm and wrap my fingers around it and kind of give it the same little pop. Okay, and then I'm going to do the edge first, and then I'm going to pull it towards me. And I want this lined up with my ratchet strap. So I'm going to move it over a little bit. Make sure this is nice and flat and straight, not torqued over or twisted in any kind of way. And then we'll go ahead and cinch that up by hand, and then take your pry bar and then do it a couple times. Boom. And that is how to take the ladders off and put them back on and to make them secure. There you go.